Hoy estamos en la fábrica.
Today we are at the factory.
Esta es una pequeña fábrica que soñaba que algún día teníamos que tenerla para tostar los mejores cafés de Colombia en un país productor.
So this is a dream they had of having their own roasting company to roast the best bean from Colombia in a coffee growing country.
Yo me dediqué hace 20 años a buscar historias, a buscar familias, a buscar buenos trabajos agrícolas y he logrado, junto con Buenos Aires, que conocieron ayer, tener quizás los mejores cafés de nuestro país.
So he started a research 20 years ago looking for families, coffee growing families, people that worked in the field and was able to make like a team and along with his own farm and to be able to gather a really good quality coffee in this. When he pushes that up, the beans are going to fall into the machine. He'll to let us know when. Now. And hold it.
Oh, that way. Okay.
Hold it.
Okay. I thought it was going to go up. All right, the beans are going in it. Okay.
El tiempo en la tostión es muy...
Right now, it's still green. Yes? And it doesn't have much smell.